This is the Solutions Hub. Do you know that the greater majority of the world's population have unpredictable income and little or no savings for emergencies and retirement? Do you also know that 2/3 of adult population world over can't even pass a basic financial literacy test? Do you know that a report of 70 to 80% of startups failing before their 10th year is not a myth but a reality? Are you a forex trader or an intending trader looking to profit from the world's largest financial market? Are you even aware that less than 10% of day traders are actually profitable? In fact, some accounts put it at 2 to 5%. Unfortunately, the list of the heartbreaking and frightening statistics that are capable of demoralizing anyone from taking action in the direction of their dreams are, to say the least, endless. But do you also know that together we can change this ugly narrative through the power of right knowledge and skill sets? Folks, poverty, as a matter of fact, is not a function of lack of money in your wallet, but a function of lack of financial education, money making, and management skills. And I can guarantee you that there is no better time and place to actually start your financial education journey than right now here at the Solutions Hub. If I may ask, just to be sure we are on the same page, are you here by accident or actually looking to explore and discover innovative solutions that can change the game in your favor? If you accidentally got here, no problem, the back or easy button will take you back to where you were coming from. But if you are here in search of true value, as I assume, then you are in the right place, and I am most excited to introduce you to the Solutions Hub, a platform that is not just about rhetoric and storytelling. We are about practical and innovative solutions. Hello there, my name is Onoha Otajunion. I am your chief host, and together we are embarking on a journey of self-discovery and innovative action. At Noble Solutions, which I happen to lead, we dive deep into the challenges that impact our world, ranging from poverty and inequality to financial literacy. We make sure that you have all the information you need to create a better financial future while maintaining your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. But here is the exciting part. We don't stop at identifying the numerous problems faced by businesses and individuals at this time. In every of our episodes, we bring to you a well-researched insight from brilliant minds, experts, and innovators who are at the forefront of innovative change. We will explore diverse problems and fascinating solutions that are shaping a better future for all. But like I said earlier, it is not just about theories and concepts. We are bringing to you real stories, real people, and real impact. What is our goal in all of this? Our goal is simple: to equip you with insight and knowledge that empower you to navigate the complex landscape of challenges we face today and still flourish in the face of the hard time. From insightful discussion to practical advice, you will gain the tools you need to tackle life's dilemma head-on. Whether you are a knowledge seeker, a problem solver, or a change maker, the Solutions Hub is your compass. From business strategies to personal growth and development, our episodes covers it all. Expect thought-provoking conversations, expert interviews, and actionable solutions that can drive positive change in your life. So if you are ready to be informed, inspired, and ignited, hit that like, follow, or subscribe button as may be applicable on the platform you are watching or listening from. And together we will embark on a quest for knowledge, personal growth, and total transformation. Once again, welcome to the Solutions Hub, where solutions shines bright. Remember, every challenge you may be facing right now has a solution waiting to be uncovered. Let's explore, learn, and create change together. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, and let's make an impact that truly matters. We are Noble Solutions, and this is the Solutions Hub. Your success is our pride. And until we come your way again, stay safe and stay blessed.